Are you planning to buy the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E Rally? Do not make your final decision until you finish watching this video. Because Ford just took a performance electric crossover, injected it with rally car DNA, lifted it off the ground, and aimed it straight at the dirt. The result is either the most exciting EV crossover money can buy right now, or a very expensive experiment. Let us find out which one. Starting with the exterior, and this thing announces itself immediately. The front fascia is aggressive in all the right ways, with a dark carbonized gray painted grille shield and integrated LED fog lamps built right into it. Not bolted on, built in. Because when you are throwing up dust and stones at speed, you need that visibility. LED projector headlamps with full LED signature lighting frame the front end beautifully, and wiper-activated courtesy delay keeps them on briefly after you leave the car. Smart detail. Moving back, 19-inch dark carbonized gray alloys with white printed graphics sit on 235/55 R19 Michelin Cross Climate 2 all-season performance tires. That taller sidewall lets you air them down on loose surfaces, but here is the honest trade-off. Those same tires make the Rally the least efficient model in the entire Mach-E lineup. Every adventure feature costs you something. The doors wear dark carbonized gray cladding and wheel lip moldings with clear paint protective film on the lower body sides. Power folding heated mirrors include LED turn signals and a pony projection lamp. At the rear, sequential LED tail lamps create a layered look that stands out. The roof is painted black steel, sharp, purposeful, no apologies. Dimensionally, 187 inches long, 64.9 inches tall, 117.5-inch wheelbase, and 82.6 inches wide with mirrors. Ground clearance is roughly 5.7 inches on the standard Mach-E, but the Rally adds a 20mm suspension lift, getting you to approximately 6.5 inches. Honest reality check though, this is not built for rock crawling. Ford designed it for gravel, loose dirt, and light trails. Know your terrain before you test those limits. Step inside and the tone changes completely. Ford Performance front seats wrap you in perforated ActiveX material with unique myco-reflective inserts, city silver stitching, and a debossed Mach-E Rally logo. They hold you in place when things get sideways. Oxford white trim runs through the door panels, steering wheel, and instrument panel. Sport pedals, multicolor ambient lighting, heated steering wheel, and heated front seats are all standard. Memory settings cover the driver's seat and mirrors. E-latch push-button doors replace traditional handles. Cleaner, more modern. Technology is genuinely impressive here. A 15.5-inch center touchscreen runs Sync 4A with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford App Connect. No cables needed. A 10.2-inch digital cluster sits ahead of the driver. The Bang & Olufsen Biosonic system brings 10 speakers and a dedicated subwoofer. Phone is a key, a 360-degree camera with split view, wireless charging, and 6 USB ports across both rows cover the daily essentials. Now here is something that matters on road trips. This car supports DC fast charging at up to 150 kilowatts, hitting 10 to 80% in around 35 minutes. A NANCE adapter comes standard, meaning Tesla Supercharger access nationwide is already in the box. Performance: 2 electric motors, 480 horsepower, 700 pound-feet of torque. Available the instant you press the pedal. No waiting. Dual motor EAWD, single-speed direct drive, 0 gear changes. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 130 miles per hour. The Rallycross-tuned MagneRide damping system adjusts in milliseconds to what is happening under the wheels. And front Brembo calipers with red painted finish deliver serious braking. 4 drive modes: Whisper, Engage, Unbridled, and the exclusive RallySport mode that loosens stability control, shifts torque rearward, and lets the rear step out on loose surfaces. This is not a badge and a button. It actually changes how the car behaves. Efficiency sits at 89 miles per gallon equivalent city, 78 miles per gallon equivalent highway, and 84 miles per gallon equivalent combined, with EPA estimated range of 255 miles. Less than some Mach-E variants. Those aggressive tires cost you range, pure and simple. And towing? Ford publishes no tow rating and recommends against it. Non-negotiable limitation. Safety is solid. Dual-stage front airbags, driver knee airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, full-length side curtain airbags. Advanced track stability control, individual tire pressure monitoring, latch anchors for child seats, and a SOS post-crash alert system that activates automatically, all standard. Pricing. The Rally starts at $57,690. Add the graphics package, optional white alloys, drainable frunk, and floor liners, and you are pushing $62,000 or more before destination. The battery warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles at minimum 70% capacity. However, the bumper-to-bumper warranty is only 3 years and 36,000 miles, below average for this price point. Worth knowing before you sign. Is it worth it? If maximum range is your goal, other Mach-E trims serve you better. If you need to tow, look elsewhere. But if you want an electric crossover that genuinely earns its adventure-ready badge, fast, capable off the smooth stuff, and completely different from everything else in this space, the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E Rally makes a very strong case. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this one off the pavement, or does that price stop you?